Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 3S and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. To check the battery level on this watch, we need to press and hold the back button to open the menu. And once the menu opens, you will see the battery level on the top of the menu. You can also check the estimates of the battery. To do it, tap on the settings option, scroll down, tap on the system, then scroll down and tap on the battery manager. And here you have the estimates in days. As you can see, our battery is estimated to stay alive, or rather last until 46 days, my bad. And once you're done, you can also press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.